Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and today I got a nice wig for you. This is a perfect everyday unit. This unit is from Wow African. This is their body wave unit in 22 inches. It has a 13 by 6 parting space, which means you're gonna get a large amount of parting space. It also comes with an HD lace. As you guys can see, this lace is very clear. There is the standard 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back and an adjustable elastic band. And this unit looks like it's pre-plucked. Let's go ahead and try it on and see what it looks like. Woohoo! Look at that. I love it. This is my type of hair plucking. I don't have to do anything to it. Y'all know the less work I gotta do, the better. Oh, look at these waves. This hair looks very pretty. Let's take a look at this lace. Look how clear and see-through this lace is. I love this lace. This is a very good quality lace, which means I shouldn't have any issues with installing it. Let's go ahead and get this on. Now y'all, let's take a look and admire this hairline before I even cut the lace. It is giving. Let me go ahead and cut this lace off. Now it's time to cut the side of the lace. You want to come from down. Now I'm putting the scissor up under the hair and I'm cutting around. I could cut more of that off, or you don't have to. Sometimes I like to leave some lace on for my sideburns to lay on. I just feel like they look a little better when you do that. And this one, I'm gonna start from the back of the wig and just cut around. And I just kind of leave the scissors open and glide it up, and it kind of takes care of the rest. I'm just taking a damp cloth just to wipe off any of that excess. I'm gonna go in now with the red spray just to kind of get any loose ends that may have not laid down. So the initial spray with the elastic band is to lay the unit down, and that second round with the red hairspray is to get any of the loose ends. And I'm just patting this so that any of that has gotten on my skin won't dry on my skin and cause a white film. Okay, dolls, so I went ahead and I applied the rest of my foundation to my forehead, and as you can see, this lace is giving everything that I want it to give. Okay, I'm gonna take and apply a little bit of my foundation powder along the ends. I hope I don't ruin it, because I don't even think it's really needed. And then I'm going to take that same foundation / concealer and apply it to the middle part to hide where the stocking cap is showing. And dolls, y'all already could see how deep this part is going. I'm gonna go ahead and add my wax stick to the parting area just to lay this down a little bit, just so it can have a nice flawless top. Now I'm going to just take my comb and lightly comb through these waves. Guys, I cannot stop looking at this hairline. It is everything. Let me add a little of my polishing spray to it to add a little sheen. So let me go ahead and give you the tea on this unit. As I mentioned, this here is from 𝐲𝐴frican. I have not reviewed a unit from 𝐲𝐴frican in quite some time. Nowadays, there are a lot of companies that have HD lace, but just because it has HD lace does not mean that it's good quality. And as you can see, this plucking is, I mean, I don't know. I have no words for it. I'm speechless. The plucking on this unit is everything. I love it. Okay, and it's a 13x6 frontal on this unit. So as I mentioned, you're going to get a lot of parting space. That means you could do a deep part if you want, and it's going to go all the way down. And look at that. You're going to get that 6 inches all the way to the back when you go down. And of course, as you start to go down, the parting space is going to get a little shorter. But guys, look how deep on the side this is. For all of my half up and half down girls, you can easily do a half up, half down with no issues. Okay, so you're gonna have more flexibility when it comes to the parting of this unit, which means you're gonna have more flexibility when it comes to styling of this unit. Let me stand up so you can see where this lands. This is a 22-inch unit, and it falls kind of low, so it falls down here, and this is where it lays on the back. So it's going to give you every bit of your 22 inches. Plus, for this to be 22 inches and have these waves, I feel like once it's straightened, you might get an extra inch or two. And the density is 150%. Can you believe it? This looks very thick for 150% density. That's one thing I do remember 𝐲𝐴frican for doing, is having nice density units. So you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck. Hey dolls. Okay, so it's another day. I just wanted to show you guys the flexibility of this unit and how you have different ways to style it. So I went and I really just did 2 plaits right here. And just remember, because it has a 13x6 parting space, you can part it all the way down and kind of go towards the back. So I have these extra braids. I'm going to actually take it out and then just let you guys see what it looks like, how it's styled. So dolls, this is what the hair looks like after I took out the 2 braids. However, I messed up because I only braided this one down. Well, my daughter braided it. But I only braided this one down as cornrows. The other ones I did as plaits. However, if I do it again, what I would do is braid it down as cornrows. So it was 3 extra braids. I would make them 3 extra cornrows. This way it will crinkle all the way down to the root, because it crinkled down here and up here was straight. So what I did is I just used my crinkling iron to help give it some bumps. But I feel like the crinks from the braid look better, in my opinion, than the crinks from the crinkle iron. But you guys let me know. In any event, I was just trying to show you guys the versatility of this unit. However, I did get some tangling while manipulating this unit. Not too much shedding though. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit, and let me know how you would rock it if you purchased it. Go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section down below. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. Well, of course, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below as well. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. It is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.